Honey and garlic are two common ingredients you might find in your kitchen, but have you ever considered combining them? In this video, we'll explore the surprising health benefits of honey and garlic and show you how to use them. Honey and garlic have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. Honey has properties to maintain immunity. In addition, it can also help cure various diseases, and garlic is known as a prebiotic, which contains compounds to stimulate the growth or activity of beneficial microorganisms for the body. But did you know that when you combine honey and garlic, you get a powerful natural remedy that can help with health problems like skin health problems, lose weight, increase endurance, maintain digestive health, as a body detox, improve liver health, regulating blood sugar levels, as an antibacterial and antivirus, lowers cholesterol, maintain heart health, maintain muscle health. Honey and garlic are two common ingredients you might find in your kitchen, but have you ever considered combining them? In this video, we'll explore the surprising health benefits of honey and garlic and show you how to use them. Here's how to make garlic honey herbal drink as a prebiotic to prevent and treat disease. Clean and sterilize jars and lids. Use a jar size that fits the amount you're making. It takes the honey to completely cover the garlic, leaving a little space at the top of the jar. Prepare the garlic. Peel fresh garlic, then slice. Put the sliced garlic into the jar. Pour the honey into the jar, leaving only a little space at the top of the jar. Tighten the lid and let sit for 7 days at room temperature or normal room temperature. After 7 days, garlic honey is ready to be consumed. In addition, it can be stored in the refrigerator. To consume this garlic honey, the method is to take about 1 to 3 tablespoons along with the garlic. Can also add a little water. Then, the honey can be drunk while the garlic is eaten. You will get extraordinary benefits if you consume it regularly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more creative and interesting content. See you in the next one.